What is going on, everybody? SpykerZ Xenith here. I've come to a bit of a solution for my crashing, at least the majority of it. Now I've got it to the point where if it does crash, it's pretty infrequent, and it basically locks the whole system up, which is super annoying. But my crashes are happening much less frequently. So the error that I'm seeing now in the event viewer, which did change as of last update, I didn't get a screenshot of it. I probably should have. But it's an error with the AMD KMDAP stopped responding. Error Windows 10. Now, I did Google that and came up to this article within windowsreport.com. You can just go ahead and check this guy out. There's some solutions here for this specific error. This is, I don't know when this was written, August 3rd, so it's relatively recent, I suppose. Vladimir Popsku, I can't say. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, but I do appreciate that you came up with this. Basically, I skipped this stuff here. Uninstall AMD driver. I've done that 1,000 times. I'm looking at the registry editor. Now, it needs to be said, when you go into the registry, you can really screw up your computer. Do not go into the registry and edit anything other than what I show you here, or you very likely may have a computer that won't even turn on anymore, or you'll have other issues. So don't just go willy-nilly deleting stuff in here. You're going to want to go in here and do exactly what I do and nothing else. So what we're going to do is we're just going to follow this guy here, this little guide, and I'll just explain it to you. Leave it on the screen for like a second. Press the Windows and R key, go to the Reg Edit, and then you're going to go to this location here, each key local machine systems, current control set, control, graphics drivers, and then you're going to put a new D word, 32-bit value. So I'll just show you this up here. We're going to go into here. I've already deleted it. That way I can just show you. Just open your start menu, type in Reg Edit, REGEDIT, and then you're going to go into... Let me go back to the beginning here. When you first get into here, this is what you're going to see. You can just double click here, make it full screen. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see all this stuff up here. It'll be right here on computer. You're going to go into H key local machine, and then you're going to go into system, and then you're going to go into current control set, and then you're going to go into software. No, I lied. You're going to go into current control set, control graphics drivers. Control right here. And it's going to be under graphics drivers. So we're going to go here into the EFG graphics. It's still open. That's what's really confusing me. It's still open. I don't want it to be. And you're just going to click right here on this guy here. Just click on the folder, have it highlighted, and it's going to look like this. DX, I assume it's kernel version, DirectX version, DirectX kernel version, but I can't talk, platform support. But anyway, you're going to go into here, and you're going to right-click, hit New, and D-word 32-bit value. Again, do not delete anything in this registry. Do not change anything in the registry. Just add this value, D-word 32-bit. And we're going to name this value capital T, lowercase d, lowercase r, capital L, lowercase e, v, e, l. Hit enter. And now we're going to just double click on this. And the value needs to be set to 0 at hexadecimal. Hit OK. And now you're going to restart your computer. And when you play Modern Warfare now, you will, at least for me, the crash has been very infrequent, and if it does happen, it locks the whole system up. Now, what this actually does is a delay. TDR is it's basically the delay when the graphics card or the graphics driver stops responding. It's that delay. This is setting that delay to 0 instead of 1, 2, 3 seconds and then the game's crashed and had all kinds of problems. It's when the graphics driver stops responding, we're having these memory issues, that it allows it to just continue running. Instead of pausing, it just resets it. So you don't even notice it. That's what I'm assuming is going on. I'm no expert in any of this. But it's certainly helped me. That's just the best way I can explain it. Deemed unresponsive, and the driver is restarted is basically the explanation for this TDR level value. So what this does is it disables the delay entirely. So it just gets rid of it, the TDR value. But anyway, now you restart your computer, play the game. Full screen, borderless windowed is the best way that I've found to play it, and I've had very few crashes since then. But if your system does crash, it's just going to completely hang, and you're just going to have to do a hard restart, because Control-Alt-Delete will not even work. And again, you're doing this at your own risk. I can't take any responsibility for any damage to your computer or any operating system errors you may experience with this. But it is a solution, at least for me. Hopefully this helps somebody else out there. And guys, if you like what you've seen here, give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.